got Form 84, low, OG, blue thread, retro, back, true to form. Originally released in 1984. The highs retroed, they came back in December. I got a pair of those too. I'm gonna do an unboxing video for that. But these are the lows. These released in March. And I got put on them, honestly, just from Adidas. I was on the site, surfing the site, and I just saw them, and I was like, yeah, these is kind of hard. Did a little research on them, and I was able to, they were sold out when I seen them on the Adidas site, but I was able to snag a pair for retail, and the rest is history. You know what I mean? So let's get a good look at these. We can first start with a look at the box. Standard Adidas box. Well, not so standard. It's standard as far as the blue and white, but they have this logo dude in the front. He looked like he's driving hard into the paint. I respect that. It has the pull-out box. Inside. Here we go. This pair right here is not dead stock. I wore these pair, and I gave them some good run. Let's start with the leather. This has I would say 3 different types of leather on it. And with the toe box being the most quality, you know, as you see, it's soft. It's a kind of a cream too. Cream on the soles. This part right here is the regular synthetic type of leather. It's not really nothing too special. You know, it's regular leather like you see on most sneakers. Over here we got more of a quality leather. Not quite like the front right here, but it's pretty quality. Same as the strap. You know, good old strap. You know what I mean? I like sneakers with straps. I always have since a kid. You know, get into the suede. The suede right here is kind of that hairy suede. It's of good quality. The leather is good quality as well. Cream laces came with it. Flavor. You know, the suede running all across the back heel. This suede is pretty smooth too. It's a different quality of suede from the suede on the stripes, but it's still of good quality. You know, bottom, you know, like I said, I wore these. I gave them a street test. Take a look at the tongue. The tongue, we got a mesh tongue on here. Similar to a Jordan 1 tongue, kinda. Check the side profile. Bring them both out. Get a good look at them. See some of that webbing. Doing right. Look good. Now for sizing. My recommendation on sizing, I say go half a size down. To give you a point of reference, I got these in an 8.5. I wear a 9 in Jordan 1s. I wear a 9 in Air Max. You know, 8.5 in Air Force 1s. So I pretty much just went with my Air Force 1 size. And yeah, it was a good move. Even though these, it's still a little bit, I'm not gonna say it's slippage, but these I'll just say these run big, you know. But with a half size, you should be good. And one thing I noticed, because I have a couple pairs of these, they run different according to each pair. You know, I don't know if it's because it's blue thread. I don't know if it's because it's blue thread. I'm saying it's here on the box, but these run different to I have the green pair, and they run different size-wise. I'm gonna do a review on those as well. All right, now my thoughts on these is, they a go. Like I said, I got damn near every pair that's of note, at least in my eyes. And I'm gonna do videos on those coming up. I think they definitely worth it. I was in the market for something plain that I can just wear any day and still hard. And these just popped up right on time. You know, I wore them once. I wore them. I walked a good number of city blocks too when I wore them. You know, I'm from New York, and I was downtown, and I did a good amount of walking. I wore these on it. It was nice around like last week sometime, and I wore them, and I had no issues. Comfort. It was comfort. I'm not gonna exaggerate on the comfort because you know what it is. Compare it to Jordan 1. I would say these are more comfortable than the Jordan 1 though. But it's a good comparison. So it's not like cozy as like a New Balance or something like that. But it's alright. It's pretty good. Like you could rock them all day and you won't have an issue. Yeah, thoughts overall, I say fuck with them. You know. But what do you think? Cop, drop, you know what I mean? Stash, trash, all that. You know, we about to get into some on-feet looks for y'all. Show them what they look like on foot. So there you have it. I mean, thanks for making it through the video. My first joint. Shit. A lot more to come, because, I mean, there's a lot more shit in the mail. And a lot more shit I just want to share with like-minded individuals. You know what I mean? This ain't really about, you know, I want to get my subscribers up and all that. But it ain't really about that. You feel me? Because like I said, I would be doing this anyway. Yeah, so it is what it is. Kasim, it's just sneakers. Peace.